It just finished raining, y'all. Look at the tomatoes. This one is starting to turn. These ones are coming out a little bit bigger than these ones, which is crazy. I believe the sun is making these leaves tips black like that. Look at that juicy one. Still going through its process. We have this one, and look at this little baby one. Although this branch doesn't look too good. I don't know. I have to do some research on that. But still holding strong, producing, changing colors. Finally, this basil is coming up. This marigold died. I don't know why. Could have happened when I pulled out the lemon cucumber plant. These marigolds are doing good. And this, oh, I gotta prune it again. So when it's like this, you should prune it. Lots of basil here.